This is a piano tutorial on In My Life, this time as a piano accompanist. So you don't need to play the melody in the right hand, you're going to sing it, or someone else will sing it. And you play the chord in the right hand. So this is how it starts with an F chord. There are places I remember. Places is F chord, A, C, and F like that. I remember, that's D minor. A, D, and F, and then F7, A, C, E flat, and F. So it's there are places I remember all my life. You know, I'm going to do the B flat chord like that on life, F, B flat, and D. Life, and that's B flat minor, F, B flat, D flat. Though some have changed, there's your F chord, A, C, F. Some forever, not for better. There's D minor again, A, D, F. And then F7 on A, C, E flat, and F. So it's on the first beat it's D minor, third beat it's F7. Better, some have gone. There's B flat, F, B flat, and D. B flat minor, F, B flat, D flat. Though some remain, that's F, F, and C. All these places, there's a D minor, A, D, F on the top. Places had their moments. There's B flat, D, and F. With lovers and friends, that's E flat, G, B flat, E flat on the top. Lovers and friends, I still can recall. There's an F chord again, F, A, and C. Some are dead. There's a D minor, A, D, F. Dead, and some are living. There's a G7, G, B, D, F. In my life, B flat again, F, B flat, and D. Life, that's B flat minor, F, B flat, D flat. I've loved them all. There's your F chord again. And then it's, that's the instrumental part. And then my life, actually that's a C chord there, so it's in my life, I love you more. There's an F chord, and at the end it's so that's the right hand chords. The only thing you need to add after you get that down is you've got to add the root note of the chord as a bass note. So down here it would be, when I'm playing an F here, it's an F down low, D minor, D down low, F7, B flat right there. Whatever the root note is, you play that as the root, the bass note. So always work on it hands alone when you're ready to put it together. This is what it sounds like. There are places I remember. Excuse me, let me try that again. There are places I remember.